Helen McMahon here for Expert Village. The next step would be to add some carrots to our vegetable beef soup. These happen to be very nice, young, tender carrots, and in this case, they don't need to be scraped. The exterior, the outer wall of the carrot, is very rich in nutrients. So I've just washed these thoroughly, and I won't bother to scrape them because they're much better for you if you just leave the skins on and make sure they're thoroughly cleaned. You can cut them lengthwise like this, which I'll do. If they're very small, you can just cut them crosswise in pennies. But in order to have a little bit more uniform size, I'm going to cut these a couple of times in this way. Notice that now I'm using a regular wooden cutting board, which is really much easier for cutting vegetables because it gives you a better grip. The plastic is used only for meat or poultry or fish. And these can be just sliced down. If you have this kind of a knife, but this is a chef's knife, it makes it very easy to do a nice even job. Try to keep them fairly uniform in size so that they'll cook evenly. And they can be added along with your potatoes into your stock pot where the meat is cooking away.